Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is all about the upstairs. I feel like the upstairs gets a little bit forgotten because I'm always doing downstairs because that's where we spend all of our time. So I just wanted to spend the day doing upstairs. So I'm going to be doing the bedroom. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is a complete mess. So doing the bedroom, dusting, hoovering. I'm going to be doing the bathrooms as well, or at least the ensuite. I don't know if I'll have time to do both, but definitely want to give the ensuite a quick wipe over. And then I'm also going to be doing the bunnies room. So I've just turned you around to show you what I need to do in the bunnies room because it's an absolute state. You can just see on the floor how dirty it all is. That needs to be put in the wash. And yeah, I made sure that I did their litter trays last night, so but they don't need doing because it's hard work having to do the whole thing in one day. So I'm going to sweep it all out and then hoover all along the back and everything. So this in itself is quite a big job, so I'm just going to stick with the upstairs today. So this room really doesn't need doing. It's had a nice deep clean recently. I do need to restock the tissue, but other than that it's good. But this room is just a mess. So I think I'm going to start in here, do the bed, pick up all of the laundry, head through into the ensuite, do that, and then crack on with the bunnies room. So I really hope you find all the motivation in today's video. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up if you do, and let's just jump straight into it. I love how different the room feels just from having the bed made. So I do try and make sure that I make the bed every day, and now I need to go in and dust. I don't know if you can see how bad it actually is, but yeah, it's really bad. So it needs dusting and hoovering, but I think I'm going to go and stick a wash load in first because it keeps piling up on me and I don't want this overflowing. So I'm going to go downstairs, stick this in, and then we'll carry on in the bedroom.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your.
Okay, so the bedroom is definitely the dustiest room in the house, and I don't know if you can see just how bad this is, but it's just all over the sticks. And I dust in here sort of every other day to every 2 days, and I thought that would be enough. I mean, look at that. I thought that would be enough, but clearly not. It just looks furry. So I'm gonna go in and try and get all of the dust off of these, finish dusting, and then we can carry on with hoovering.
Got a brother that doesn't treat them right. Put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Break it down to a second.
It always feels so good. Once it's done, it just feels extra cozy, and I can't wait to come to bed tonight, honestly. I love how peaceful and calming this room is when it's nice and tidy. So now that's done, I'm going to swing around and come into the ensuite, and it has been worse, but it could be better. I just need to give it a quick wipe over. I'm not going to be doing a deep clean or anything, but it could definitely do with a good wipe and a restock on the tissue and stuff. And I'm also going to be cleaning the floor a little bit. I'm not going to be doing the shower because it's not been long since it's had a thorough scrub, so that doesn't really need doing at the moment. So I'm just going to focus on sort of neatening it up, wiping it down, and just getting it fresh.
Like a shooting star, do what you gotta to be true to who you are. You're calling me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark, take me from the dark, so shine on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace, lift me up the ceiling, up and away, fly me over the rivers, over open seas, bring me to this feeling, up and away. I could never be free, could never follow. I let the power in me be strong, but then you came along, baby, under your hand. I learned to understand, to live, to love myself. You color me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark, take me from the dark, so shine on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace, lift me up the ceiling, up and away, fly me over the rivers, over open seas, bring me to this feeling, up and away. Blow me into space, the power of your embrace, lift me up the ceiling, up and away.
so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
Okay, so I've just taken the buns downstairs and it's now time to do this room, and this is always the thing that just takes forever. So I need to bring everything out, give it a good hoover, and I also need to sort of hoover right down the back. It always goes through the back, so I need to do that and disinfect it because it's just pretty gross in there. I'm really glad that I done the litter trays last night though, so I haven't got to worry about them. But even the floor in here is just coated with hay and stuff. So yeah, it could do with a good clean in here.
Drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so I finally have the cage clean, but this is the mess that I make along the way. So I just need to shove all their toys back in and then hoover up, and I think that is pretty much it then. I just love how it looks when it's nice and clean, but I can guarantee it won't look like this 5 minutes after they've come back in. But I'm glad that it's done. Now I just need to sort out the rest of this mess.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out.
Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's had a good clean, and honestly this room just feels 10 times better once the cage has been cleaned out. Everything is smelling, it's super fresh, and it's just like a completely different room. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you back here in the next one.